thought a bit of pipe with a bit of foam stuck on the end of it would sound like that. So here we are, episode 10. Sorry it's been so long. Unfortunately, we've had Christmas and it's been cold in the car.
Hibernation.
And you see it doesn't like hibernating, it's flat again.
It's part of the starting procedure now, is get another car next to it.
To bump start, to jump start, I should say. So, today's video, what are we doing in today's video?
We don't actually need, we just realised we don't actually need to start it to do this. We've stripped it, it's now very loud inside. We want to make it a little bit louder.
Yeah, it doesn't sound very track car like that. No. Budget exhaust isn't really doing it, to be honest. So, we're going to fit a K-Tec Induction kit. It's a second-hand K-Tec Induction kit, so it is missing a few parts.
But it's the budget track build, so...
But it's a budget track build, and it's got the main thing, it's got the silicone hose, it's got the filter. We'll have to maybe try and use a few cable ties, but...
I wouldn't feel right putting a brand new induction kit on this, it wouldn't, It would just be out of place.
Definitely, it's a budget track build, and budget is what we've done. So thanks very much to a chap on the Clio Facebook forum for hooking us up with that. And yeah, let's see how we get on fitting it.
Neither of us have fit one of these before, we haven't got any instructions, and we're missing quite a few bits, so it could go tits up, but we'll try.
Let's give it a go.
What have we got?
There it is.
Not many bits.
No, I mean even this bit's not right. This is off a standard one, but it'll fit. It's fine. We'll just put a bit of silicone or something around there. We're missing the bracket one.
I like the lack of parts that we have to fit. We've got effectively 3 bits here.
And one of them's not even just meant for it.
See you later.
I think it should pull out whole.
Take off that one.
Well, to be fair, it's already taken off. I reckon someone's already had this off. Let's see.
Get past that.
There you go. Sweet. So that can come off, I guess. That's no use to anyone, is it?
There's our gearbox leak.
Yeah. That goes up there. I'll try to do it fast.
Yeah.
It's probably not the right way to do it.
Fast and budget.
We haven't had a lot of time recently, hence why we haven't. Yeah. Hence why we're rushing this now quickly. It's very loud today, isn't it, on this road? We haven't got the joys of Mark's workshop today.
No. Even the workshop today is budget. We're
not even in the usual.
hiding in front of Ash's house. Right. But if it gets the job done, everyone's a winner.
What we could do actually, instead of, because usually there should be a bracket there, right?
Yeah.
Which
holds onto this
side.
Right?
I could put. I was just going to cable tie it all. I could put a bracket on and cable tie the bracket. Nah, let's cable tie it all. Cable ties are lighter, aren't they?
It's a track weapon, mate. It needs to be light.
At the end of the day, no matter what anyone says, this isn't going. You're not going to say, "Wow, that's made a huge difference." I hate to say it. If anything, we might get 1 horsepower if we're lucky. We might even lose some, but it will definitely sound better. Which is the main reason, isn't it? So, right, I'm fairly happy with that. So, I don't really know what we can do with this though.
So you have to take that off maybe. Before.
Yeah, just thinking where that goes though. Ideally, you want it pointing up here, don't you?
Yeah. Do you think you have to cut it a bit?
No, I don't really want to cut it. It's tight in there, isn't it?
It's tight, yeah.
Is this going back on?
What, the...
It's really
probably not, no.
So I just cut it. If I cut it right down there, at least we'll get some air hopefully pop out.
Yeah.
It seems pointless. I don't really want to have to jack the car to fit an air box.
Let's cut it off.
The joys of being budget. What do you reckon?
Low. Just don't cut through anything else. Oh look.
Doesn't even need to cut.
It's just broken. The joys of it being French. Sweet.
Cold air feet. Right, here we go. That'll do. Right, put this back on. Definitely not as well made as my Venturi, that's for sure. But then it is like, I think this was 50, 60 quid, 50 quid possibly.
50 quid on that.
So it's like less than a tenth of the price. It's a bit scary, that, isn't it? There's blood already, look.
Yeah,
There's blood.
It shows you're trying, Ash.
That's not ideal though.
No. It's very, very loose.
It's only an oil breather, but...
Bit of tape.
So the bracket, I think, fits somewhere around there. So if we just... Don't want it too tight, do we?
No. Calling on the German power to get it started.
Yeah, not great in terms, are
Bingo. Right, Ash. K-Tec Induction kit, first drive. And the car hasn't been driven for about a month and a half.
Yeah, I'm just going to take it a bit easy for a bit. It's good.
Got some dashboard vibrations.
See, those engine mounts are definitely doing their thing, aren't they? It's definitely becoming more track orientated.
I like it. Every time it's got a sense of purpose.
When
and
we've got
occasion.
buckets in it,
Yeah.
it'll be like this is what you get. You literally like you strap yourself into it.
Buckets and less of the bus driver steering wheel.
Right, she's nearly up to temperature now. There's so much vibration in this engine, this cockpit now.
Just different bits.
Right, there you go, second gear. Yes!
There it is.
That's all we needed.
That's it.
Yes. It doesn't, I'll be honest, it doesn't feel any more responsive.
Doesn't matter, does it?
It sounds better though.
It sounds like you're going faster when you're not.
Do you reckon you hear it on the outside?
Sorry?
Do you reckon you hear it on the outside?
Oh yeah, I heard it when you were just giving it a couple of revs, reversing it. It's loud. It's good because actually we haven't got a good exhaust, so it's all engine noise. Like the exhaust is pretty silent compared to the engine.
And it's only when you really plant your foot down, like,
Yeah.
there. Your car's probably got to get used to it, to be fair.
Not having a louder voice.
What's he doing? Get your bike out the road, you penis. Oh my god, this thing sounds like a little rally car. It sounds wicked. And taking that sound insulation out of the bonnet now is helping it, I think,
Yeah.
as well.
Yes.
Yes! Well, I don't know why we didn't do that first.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome. I don't think it doesn't feel as quick, but then I'll be driving the M3 today, so maybe this is the problem.
Yeah.
It sounds like a lot of like.
Mate, this is. Ah, yes, this is what it needed. Exactly what it needed. Just a bit more voice. I'm impressed.
Good,
I am impressed.
good cheap mod there. I think it was 55, 60 quid, 50 quid, something like that. It's not. It wasn't any more than 60, I don't think.
No.
So I think that's even though we're not going to gain any performance out of it, it's definitely money well spent. That sounds awesome.
It really
That
does.
really does sound awesome. Well, we would have thought a bit of pipe with a bit of foam stuck on the end of it would sound like that, eh?
Yeah, a bit of pipe and a bit of foam creates that many smiles. Simple things. What's next then, Ash?
Next, we are going to Snetterton next weekend, and
We're having another go at trying to get up there. First time round didn't quite go to plan. Hopefully the fact we've driven it this weekend, we've fixed the bits on and tested it out, we know it's got an issue with the battery, we're going to be fully prepared for that. It's going to happen, isn't it? We're going to go there.
I think so. I'm even tempted, Joe, but you know last time we took your car,
Yeah.
I think I'm going to put a bit of faith in it. I think we're just going to take this.
Just take this, alright.
And we're going to go travel light. We're not going to take as many tools this time. I don't think we need them all. We'll go up to Snetterton next Saturday, try that induction kit out, see if we can see what it feels like on track now. We've stripped the back out and got a bit of weight, and yeah, just a good sort of next benchmark before we do our next mod, I guess, which will potentially be tyres, I guess, after this, will it be?
I think so. Tyres, steering wheel, and some seats at some point.
Yeah, maybe just some lowering springs, possibly. We'll see how we get on with the tyres first, I think.
Either way, this thing drives so well now on the road. I can't wait to see what it's like on a track.
I just hope it's not. They give it to me like -2, -4, and I just hope that's not the case. Now it's 2 degrees, and to be fair, it's got quite a bit of grip, but it's because the roads are dry, aren't they? So as long as it doesn't rain and it stays around 2 degrees as a minimum, I think we'll be alright. I think we'll have fun regardless. If it's slippery, we just have to go a bit slower. It just means the car will be a lot more over, which will look good on camera, I guess, as long as we manage to avoid any walls. So.
Anyway, join us next time for another track day.
Yeah, see you soon.